How much does it cost for laundry dry cleaning service in Singapore? Looking for laundry and dry cleaning service in Singapore? People in some advanced countries are so busy these days that they don't even have time to wash their own clothes also. In Singapore, it is really a huge problem. So here is a description of laundry price for people who are looking for a laundry service in that country. Prices for washing the clothes and dry cleaning them is quite different. The price of washing a blouse is $4 and dry cleaning is $6 for it. Prices for a skirt are $4 and $5 respectively. For saris, the prices are slightly high, say $8 and $13, as they are larger compared to blouses as well as skirts. Among all the dress worn by women, evening gowns are perhaps the costliest items, because dry cleaning them costs about $26. Men's dresses are relatively cheaper compared to ladies' dresses. Ordinary shirts cost $4 and $6 respectively. T-shirts, even though they are thicker and difficult to wash compared to ordinary shirts, cost about $3.50 and $4.50 respectively. Coats and jackets are also washed and dry cleaned at quite cheaper rates, say $6 and $7.50 respectively. Army uniforms cost $3.50 and $5 respectively. Thus different clothes cost differently for washing as well as dry cleaning, but still all these services are provided at a reasonable cost. Wind breakers are dry cleaned at a price of about $12 and winter overcoat are dry cleaned at a price of over $16. Jeans pants are washed at $4 and dry cleaned at $6. Sweaters are also cleaned at the same price. Bed sheets, pillow covers, bed covers, mattresses, towels, cushion covers and sofa covers, curtains cost about $4.50 and $10 respectively. Bedspreads are even more costlier and they cost respectively $12 and $14. Pillow covers are cheaper, as they are smaller in size. They cost over $1 and $2. Perhaps the costliest items which are washed by them are the carpets. If the carpets are below 7 feet, they cost over $120 and if they are over 11 feet, they cost $180. They are not washed as they are too heavy for washing. They are just dry cleaned for some time and then used again. In Singapore, there are many companies which provide laundry service to people. Their main intention is to help the people who are unable to wash their own clothes.